Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today, as you can see, we have another embagging. That means we have another review, so let's find out what is in the bag. Let's see if I can get it open here. Oh, we have cross stitch. All right, we have two, looks like I got stuff everywhere. Got two cross stitch kits, and these come from DiamondArtDecor, formerly known as DIY Choose. Now, if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, they'll be right here or in the description box below, so check that out. We'll start with this first one, and I'm thinking, oh, it's a DIY Choose. And I thought, since I had London, New Orleans, London, New Orleans, and San Francisco, we needed Paris to complete it. So, yeah. And I've been looking at this for a while, so I thought, why not? Now, this one is a 40 by 50. It's $8.99. Let me get this out of the bag. All right. Isn't that pretty? All those beautiful flowers, and then you have the Eiffel Tower and all the beautiful buildings. It's just gorgeous. So we'll see how it stands up, you know. I haven't bought a DIY cross stitch in a while. So yeah, let's see what's going on here. All right, we have two needles right here, which I'm going to remove just for the sake of everything and me stabbing myself. Hold, please. I'm going to put them right there in my little pin cushion. Let's take a look at the paper pattern. It looks kind of small. Oh yeah, it's just way small. This has 25 colors, and it looks kind of confettied when I'm looking at this, so it'll look different when I'm looking at the paper, the canvas. Paper pattern will match the canvas, but it is kind of small, so if you were going to use it for any period of time, you might want to blow that up. Let's see what colors we have. We have no 310 black. We have 498, which is the brick red. We have 823, which is a dark navy. We have 939, which is an even darker navy color. We have 3371, which is brown, and I think they're using 3756 for the white. That and 842. So we'll take a look at the colors. They are on a thread card. We get that shook out. Very nice colors. There's all your reds and reddish orange. Got kind of a bluish purple and some grays. There's 498. Just beautiful. This is 823, I think. Nope. This is 823 and this is 939. So there's not a whole bunch of it. But this is not a very big canvas. And this color right here is 3371. That dark brown. So not a lot of colors, but you do have shades and tints of colors. So there's even a lighter brown and a little bit more of a bricky red. So very nice though. It'd be fun to see what this is going to be like. And see, this must be what they're using for that white. That's that grayish color. What do I call that? 3856. So very nice, and I'm glad it's on a thread card, because dealing with them tabs are not my favorite thing to do. So let me roll this up, and I realize it's a DIY kit, so it does not have serging around the edge. It does have a nice big key, and it also has the colors running along the side as well. But yeah, this is going to be kind of confetti, just like my other two. So it has the product number, how big it is, and it's 129 by 173. Let's turn it this way so we can measure it. And so it's not too bad. It's a nice lap size. It's not too big, it's not too wide, it's not so much material that you're wrestling it the whole time. Yeah. So that part is nice. This is 18 and excuse me, I'm losing my voice. 18 1/4 inches or 46.5 centimeters. So it's short of 50 centimeters. 38.5 centimeters or about 15 1/4 inches. The actual picture size is almost 30 centimeters or 11 3/4 inches. I was reading it upside down. I was taking, and I had a dyslexic moment. Let's see. And this way it is 39.5 centimeters or 15.5 inches. So it's good size, but yeah, it's going to be confetti. But I'm rolling. Hang on. Rolling and talking, rolling and talking. I was going to show you. It is kind of confettied, but very clear and very easy to see symbols because it is an 11 count. And this fabric crunches very nicely. It doesn't take any time at all for it to bend to your hanging on to it, or it doesn't spring back like that. I'm not crunching real hard here. Like that other fabric, it just seems to have so much sizing in it that it just stays stiff sometimes. But very nicely done. And you do have that great big area right here, a little bit of the big area on the Eiffel Tower, and the rest of it, it's kind of like a little river-ish. So there's like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 or 5 symbols just right in this area, but it's all spread out, so because that's the trees, sorry, that's the tree part of the picture. So yeah, I think it'll be okay. I really do. So it'll be fun to see that all come together, but there's a lot of trees, so therefore a lot of confetti going on. So yeah, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. But it's not quite like London or New Orleans. Those, every third thing is another symbol. It's like, oh my goodness, yeah. That's why it's in timeout. All right, let's take a look at the next one. I didn't think this was quite this big, but okay. Some days I can't. It's blah, 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 and I get it, and it's like, oh my goodness, yeah, that's huge. And then others, oh, it's just a little tiny. So this is, saying all that, 43 by 42, 14 count, Joy Sunday, $10.49, and does come in the lovely Joy Sunday bag, which I absolutely adore. That way I don't have to put it in an extra thing. Now, the only time I do put a Joy Sunday in a separate bag is if the canvas is huge. Like, case in point, 12 Days of Christmas, I could not get it back into the Joy Sunday bag. I swear the bag was made around it. But yeah. So, isn't that cute? Look at the little bunny rabbits and the flowers. I just love it. And it's a partial. It's going to have some half cross stitch. But look at the pastel pinks, blues, yellows. Maybe some orange in there. And I just love his little house. They're so cute. Let's take a look at this. It's 192 by 188. It's divided into 6 different pages. The paper pattern has. So there's going to be some back stitching. But do you see this whole, I don't know if you can see it. See where it's really a point, and then I'll move it up. All that is half cross stitch. So that's a good thing. That's the background. So we'll find out here. But yeah, just kind of accent back stitch. But I just thought it was cute. It's just adorable. I love tulips. I love the way they look. And this is more of a kind of a springy thing, but I don't care. I really like it. And this is going to have, and drum roll please, let's find out how many colors. Going once, going twice. And we have, no problem. No problem, we got 70 colors. Now this is one of those where, let's see, I have to figure out, okay, this side is the paper pattern for symbols, and this side over here are the symbols from the canvas. It has full stitch. You have 70 colors in full stitch. You have 4 colors in quarter stitch, and you have back stitch, and that's it. Now, I don't know, I find it really hard to see these quarter stitches. I think it's like when they go around the edge of something, so it's not much that I think to worry about. I don't know. And you do have half stitch. So those are your background colors and your shading, that kind of stitch. So it's full stitch, half stitch, quarter stitch, and back stitch. No French knots. Let's take a look at what colors we have. We have 310 black. Anything else? The 601, 602 are kind of reddish tones. We have 666 red. We have no 823. No 939. No 3371. And we're using B5200 for the white. So on the symbols for the chart, the color that the symbol is, so that's like a pale pink, or that's a pale blue, or that's a pale yellow, or whatever. That is supposed to be darker, because that's supposed to be your black. And your black is down here in 310 and B5200. But yeah, I think this is going to be fine. Back stitching will be a hot moment, but yeah, it'll be fine. We have to get through the cross stitch anyway, so in about 40 decades I'll get to that point, you know. So let's look at the colors. Now we do have 2 needles. It does come on the lovely thread cards. This tells you how many strands of each, DMC number, and then the number for the thread card. So there are there's 3 thread cards. Let's just separate. Oh my goodness, it is like really in there. Let's see what we got here. We have golds and oranges, kind of a rustish color, browns. So the rabbits, let me look at the rabbits. So they're kind of in a tanny brown, but the rest of that brown orangish look is like the stairs, part of the house. So yeah, we have pale blue, isn't that beautiful? We have some pinks over here. Kind of, I don't know what that color is. Maybe a dark reddish coral? I can't. But we have greens. We have beautiful purple. No 550 purple this time. This is dark jelly bean 3746. Beautiful, beautiful colors. And I like these cards because you can look at it and go, oh, that's 906. Okay. So very nice, very easy to use. Look at the blues, the pinks, the yellows, more greens, lots of greens. All the flowers, all the flower colors, just gorgeous. And then we have the first one, pinkish, kind of a raspberry color, pale pinks, yellows. Gosh, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shades of yellow there. Then it goes kind of to a yellow green, if you will, more of a yellow green over here. Here's your 310 black. Just beautiful, just beautiful. Love it. And the price is really good. I mean, that's under $15 for this great big. It's bigger than I gave it credit for. Let me open this up. I'm trying. There we go. And it's kind of square because it's 43 by 42. Does have the product numbers that were both on the front and the name of it. And then on this side you have how big it is, 192 by 188. But as you can see, most of the stitching's down here. You got half cross up here. So yeah, it'll be a moment. Very nice key. It is serged all the way around. And this is kind of small. It's kind of hard to see the DMC numbers. So it's nice that it is on the paper pattern. Very, very nice. And I know I've had to cross-reference myself on some of these that are kind of smaller in size. There is your back stitching. This is your quarter stitch. This is your half stitch. And then the numbers, you know, for full cross run all the way down here, all the way around the side, all the way up to the top. So let's, I've got so much stuff on my desk. Time to clean the desk again. Oh my goodness. Let's see here. All right, we got 44 centimeters, or a little over 17¼ inches by 42 centimeters, or 16½ inches. The actual picture size is 13¼ inches, or what is that? 34 centimeters by almost 36½ centimeters, or 14¼ inches. So very nice, very soft fabric. Just absolutely lovely. I don't know where I would start. Maybe on some of these flowers. I got nothing. Soft, smooth fabric, typical of Joy Sunday. It's just absolutely lovely. Just lovely. Yeah, I have no idea where to start this. Not a clue. Not a clue. I don't think I want to start with the half crosses. They're pretty easy to see, and all the rest of the symbols are very nice and easy to see. It's going to be the back stitching that brings all these flowers out, the rabbits, and the house and everything else, and give it detail. So yeah, I think it'll be lovely. Just lovely. Another 14 count to work on. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I am being drowned by 14 count. At least it's not full coverage. Oh, just kidding. This is close to full coverage. But yeah, it'll be lovely. Just lovely. I'm trying to get myself worked up so that I can work on my 12 Days of Christmas, which is 14 count by like 100 by 100. I mean, it's huge. Yeah, but it's not full coverage either. So I don't know why I'm complaining. I'm not. I don't know what it is about 14 count lately, but dang, I can't get enough of it. Just can't. All right, now DiamondArtDecor has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They do custom in diamond painting, and they also have scrapbooking, quill paper. I don't know if you call that quill art. Is that quill paper art? I've never done it, so yeah, my aunt used to do it, you know, way back in the 70s, 80s, yeah. So I didn't know it was still a thing, and I still haven't done it, so do check them out. Like I said, any discounts or of mine or any specials that they're running will be in the beginning of the video and in the description box below, so do check them out. Thank you, DiamondArtDecor, for these two beautiful kits. We're going to have to start one today. That's just how we do it, and that's how we roll around here. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.